What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be kind of a short video, but I'm going to go ahead and replace the heater hose adapter on this 98 Chevy 1500 with 5.7. So anyways, we're going to get into that. Alright, so we're going to change this here out. It's bad. The whole inside was dry rotted and stuff. Most people would agree with me. It was a pretty dumb move on GM's part to use those. But anyways, the new one, actually, you get it off the help shelf. You can either, one, take it off and take it in, or it's in the computer at like AutoZone or whatever. But this one's actually the bigger one. I guess there was another one that was a little smaller, which, anyways, this is the one for this particular year. It's actually a 27 millimeter, so I got the 27 millimeter and I got the ratchet. So we take her off of here, the old one, which, I don't know, technically really you could just change the insides if you really wanted to, but hey, since you have to buy the whole thing anyways, might as well just change the whole thing. No big deal. So anyways, as you can see, the seals and stuff are all in there. They're like plastic and probably a rubber O-ring in there, but anyways, just being it's already got thread tape already on it, you know, you don't have to worry about that anyways. So anyhow, get her started down in there and tighten her up. That should do. It doesn't have to be like torqued in there or nothing. So anyways, you take this little clip and you put it on this end. Has to go over that little lip there, and then you shove her on in there, hopefully. There you go, and there, that part's done. Okay, so I know it was kind of a quick little video, but hey, anyways, maybe it'll help somebody out somewhere along the line or something. But anyways, I'm just gonna try to keep you up to date on everything that I do with this 1500, because it is a pretty good size project, and it really has quite a bit of stuff that does need done to it. But although it does run and it does drive, so anyways, I sure appreciate you guys watching, and feel free to like, subscribe, hit notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.